Hello everybody, welcome to POV Driving. We're back again with another POV review. And today, as you can see, we're testing out the new 2018 Ford Mustang. This specific car is in ruby red. And it looks pretty cool, I think. You can definitely tell that it's a sports car. And with the new car here, we have a new exhaust. So, you know, we have quad pipes, so 4 exhausts, and it makes the car look much more aggressive than the other version. We also have Brembo brakes and a lot of cool features. We have these air vents here, and overall the car looks more aggressive than the previous version. So let's take it for a test drive and see how it drives. So yeah, the first thing you also notice is that you have a new interior. We have a digital display here, and we also have a touch screen. So the multimedia system is really upgraded from the previous version. And yeah, I have this Ford Mustang thing here, and yeah, it's a free car. It's the most sold sports car in the world. Let's call it even better. And yeah, it has a 5-liter V8 engine, which is the highlight of the car. Definitely. But yeah, let's take it for a drive. So before we start, as you can now see everything light up here, I'm gonna put it into, you can change the exhaust. So let's put the exhaust into track mode, and you get this warning thing here. Be aware of what you're doing. Let's open up the car here and start it up. Ooh, now it changed. Let's put it into track mode. Now you can see, yeah, look at this. So you get like this rev counter here, which is really cool. We can hear it idling. It sounds pretty mean. Like we have this cool diffuser also, so people know to watch out. The Mustang, as you probably know, has a very special reputation. I've seen so many videos on YouTube where Mustang drivers are trying to drift and they kind of fail, you know, so you have to be really careful with this car, especially if you turn off the traction control. Be aware, you might die. But yeah, let's drive this thing and see how it is. We also have a manual gearbox here, 6-speed. Really easy to use, but also very fun. Oof. Now we have a train coming, so I'm probably gonna cut this out. 1, 2, 3, go! And we're back at it. We can take our windows down a little bit so you can hear this beast. It's really obnoxiously loud. And keep in mind, this is the stock exhaust. I can't imagine how this sounds if you take away the cats or put on a sports exhaust. It's probably really loud. Yeah, I don't want to be deaf. I want to talk to you guys, so I'm gonna take up the windows again. Traffic in the new Ford Mustang. Right now we're in Helsingborg, Sweden, as you probably already know. We're located here. It's a beautiful evening out here. A lot of people are walking outside, taking a walk, and might as well go. Yeah, they're scared. Everyone's scared of this car, and I'm sorry for everyone disturbing the peace. But I have a review to do. fun to drive this car. The gears are really long. You can do like 120, 130 kilometers in second gear. And you can reach top speed in fourth gear. Think about that. Top speed, fourth gear. It's crazy. But that's also, oopa, there's a lot of dogs. Mad people. Everyone hates this car for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, people hate it. These dogs owners here were like running in the middle of the street. And I was not driving fast. I was driving 20, 30. People were like, wow, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm like, I'm driving a car. But it's really loud and obnoxious and people just hate it. So that's great fun. We also have a limited slip differential on the car, so if one wheel starts spinning, then it will automatically move power to the other wheel, so it can spin momentarily. So that's great fun for doing power slides and just stupid things, you know. This car is really built for it. And if you want to do a burnout, it's also like, it has like a line lock function, so if you dump the clutch and put your foot on the brake, it will automatically brake and hold the position. So you can make a really fat, cool burnout. I will demonstrate that in 30 seconds. I'm gonna drive here on the gravel. I don't want to make the car dirty because it's really good looking in the ruby red, I think, especially when it's clean, you know. It's really cool. But okay, let's do a little burnout here. I have permission to do a burnout. Let's put our foot. America! Great fun. It's so easy to do a burnout. So easy. So much fun. But yeah, this is why you buy a Mustang. You know, you do burnouts, you drive around with the loud exhaust, piss people off, drive like an idiot. Do burnouts on the street, you know. It's luckily nobody knows who I am, you know. So if the police is watching this, I'm Batman. Up, now the fuel light come up, 80 kilometers left. But that brings us on to another point. We can talk about economy. So there's good things and bad things about the Ford Mustang when it comes to economy. The good thing is, of course, that this car is quite cheap. It's 397,000 crowns. That's not a lot of money, I think. You know, this is like, it's like what a fully equipped Golf would cost. Probably less. So, you know, it's definitely a cheap car to buy. But the running costs might be a bit obnoxious. The fuel economy is not great, especially if you're driving like an idiot, like I am. But if you're doing like 120 kilometers on the highway, then, you know, you'll get great fuel economy, probably like under 10 liters per 100 kilometers. And you also have cruise control and very long gears, you know. So in sixth gear, it will sit at like 1,700 RPMs on the highway, and that's actually really good. And thanks to the new Ford Mustang has the magnetic ride function, so every driving mode really adapts accordingly. So the suspension can change, so it can become really soft in normal mode and feel like any car, and it can really be hard and tough in the track mode, which I'm currently in. Another cool thing, this car has a drag racing mode. So yeah, you know, this car is just fully equipped with stupid stuff. So the Ford really wants the buyers of this car to just do stupid stuff. And I'm really happy to be able to test this car to do stupid stuff, like the burnout we did before that. And as I said, this is not my car, but I had permission to do a burnout in my videos. Ford was really nice letting me do that. And yeah, it's so easy to drive also, you know. You can have so much fun in the car. It won't kill you. If you turn off all the traction control systems and you put your foot down in the corner, then you know you have to be careful, or at least ready to counter steer and make a cool drift to impress all the ladies or men. But it can kill you. It's like a long wheelbase. The motor's in front of us, we're sitting quite far back, so it really snaps when you get oversteer. That's also great fun, but also very dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. And the multimedia system is great, you know. You can plug in your phone with Apple CarPlay, and the sound system is amazing for being a Ford, I think. We have really good bass, you know, so you can have a party and pump the bass like a true G. Let's just take the windows down again to... We have a Porsche behind us. I have more power than you, Boxster. Yeah, but the power really builds up. So, you know, at low RPMs, you don't have much power. But when you get into the higher RPMs, the car just pulls all the way to 7,500 RPMs. So it revs quite high, and the whole car shakes, you know, when you're doing over 7,000 RPMs, and it's just great fun, you know, great fun. More car for the money is hard to find, and we can put it into normal mode now, and you know, it's a piece of cake. We have like exhaust valves in the exhaust, so you know it closes up. So right now it doesn't sound at all much. It still sounds quite a bit, but it's not like in track mode, you know. In track mode it's just like it's just like obnoxiously loud. As you probably saw, all the people hating on me. Every time I go for the drive, people like point their fingers at me. They like tell me to fuck off. They like you know, they're so rude and not nice to me, and I don't know, I don't really deserve it, honestly. I'm actually doing them a favor, you know. I'm trying to help people experience their cars online, and Ford Mustang owners will drive the car like I'm driving it now. Like, should I drive around like an old fart? Oh yeah, the fuel economy is great. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't want to put my foot down because I can't do that. No. Ford Mustang drivers are like, yeah, power, America, burnout, you know, donuts, everything, you know. It's just, it really suits me. I'm a young guy, you know, and I love to hoon around. It's not every day I can drive a car like I really want to. The Ford Mustang is a car I can. As I said before, I got permission to do a burnout, you know, and that's just like, yes, burnouts, I love to do them. And Ford Mustang drivers are just very unique, and they have a lot of testosterone. We can do some revs here just to piss people off. Yeah, America. Yep, people looking at me. I'm just ignoring them, you know. Yeah, this new multimedia system works really well also. It's fast, instant. This lady is just, you know, doing what she loves. Not today, biker. Not today. I win. Now he's up in my ass. I'm gonna show him. Who's the boss? I'm the boss. I'm driving a Mustang. Yeah. And the blinkers work. America. I can just imagine Ford Mustang drivers just driving around screaming, America! America! Woo! Heel towing is not always successful, but it's quite easy to heel tow in this car if you're a professional racing driver like myself. No, I'm not, but I try to be. I'm driving over these stones here, and the car is like moving around, you know, you can feel every single stone, which is also a good thing. Yeah, people looking at me, hello. Right now we are in the harbor of Helsingborg. It's beautiful out here, it really is. People taking selfies. Let's destroy it. Yep, destroyed. Ooh. People smiling. You know, it's a mixed reaction. Either people love this car or they hate it. Most people hate it. I love it. What do you guys think of the new Ford Mustang? Please leave a comment below and we can discuss it. I love when there's like rocks on the side, because then the exhaust sound jumps. Yeah. People screaming in the caravans. They're probably afraid of me. I don't care, because I'm driving a Mustang. But yeah, great car. You can use it for many different purposes. You can take a cruise. You can drive like an idiot. You can do burnout. You can pick up your friend or girlfriend, or you can let your mother drive it. And you can do that for quite a cheap price. So, you know, make sure to check out the new Ford Mustang in your local dealership. I've had a great experience driving this car, especially in ruby red. Excuse the sound in the background, but thank you so much for watching this review. We got more videos coming, so like, subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Oh yeah, look at this. We have a cool horse here on the pavement. So that's like a projector. Oh, look here. We have a projector on the side to show that we're driving a Mustang, and really nice rims, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the review, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.